Non-profit organisations, or NPOs, do vital work all over the world. There needs to be trust between non-profits and people they work with, as well as their funders and regulators. Non-profits can be transparent by sharing financial and other information, such as where their funds come from and how they use resources to create impact. International Financial Reporting for Non-Profit Organisations is a project to develop much-needed guidance for how MPOs should prepare their annual audited accounts. CIPFA and Humentum are delivering the project with funding from a number of foundations. And there is widespread support for the objectives of the project from stakeholders in all regions of the world. Our first step was to frame the issues, alternatives and questions into a consultation paper. 84% of respondents supported our core proposals, which is a great endorsement. Our long-held dream of harmonised quality reporting in the sector is now becoming a reality. We're excited to announce that the guidance will be called INPAG, International Non-Profit Accounting Guidance. INPAG will be standalone guidance so that preparers and auditors can find what they need in one place. Using IFRS for SME as a starting point, changes will be made to address the non-profit issues prioritised in the consultation. This may involve making minor terminology revisions, modifying sections, developing new sections, or deleting those which are not relevant. Which types of MPOs are we designing INPAG for? Our sector is wonderfully diverse. So the users of NPO financial reports therefore have a wide range of needs. To focus our efforts, we imagined dividing all the world's NPOs into 3 broad tiers. At one end, Tier 3 are micro MPOs. The users of their financial reports are likely to have simpler needs, and cash basis reporting could be sufficient. At the other end, Tier 1 NPOs have more complex needs. This might be because they hold the funds of service users or have debt that is traded on a public exchange. Other international or national accrual-based standards could be needed to meet all their reporting needs. Tier 2 NPOs need to track assets and liabilities and report on a range of transactions and activities to meet the needs of the users of their financial reports. INPAG is designed for these NPOs, with the needs of their users in mind. It will be up to each jurisdiction to decide how to apply these tiers to their NPOs, so that over time, INPAG becomes a global standard for the sector. How can you play your part? We will be releasing the exposure drafts of INPAG in 3 tranches to get your feedback, with the first due in late 2022. This is a growing movement. Share this video and subscribe for our free updates to join us on the journey.